Hey Plums, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome to this channel. Please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a beautiful comment in the comment section. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a whole lot of unboxing. It's not that much, but it's something. You can like unboxing video, and I'm going to be doing that in this video. I got the stuff I got, most of them are not purple, and it makes me feel bad. I love purple so much. In case you don't know that about me, I love purple. Then, okay, let me just say a little bit more about myself. My name is Jaynnifa. I'm a bridal stylist based in Nigeria. Yeah. I also double as in 9 to 5. Yeah. I'm a social media manager in a real estate company, so I do that. So let's get into this video. So the first thing, why I'm showing this one first is because of the color. It's purple, guys. So this is snap. It's called a snap roller. I think I got it about 1,003 for one. I don't know what I was thinking. This is not going to be enough, so I think I'll get more. So this is what it looks like. This is in size 36. In size 36. I think I'll get a smaller one, then two more of this. So this is the first. Then I got this. What I've been using is like finished container of all the spray, like heat protectant or whatever. So this time around I decided to get a real spray bottle. I've actually used it. I got this one for about 1,000 naira. So the next one is, guys, I think the last time I bought Tresemme shampoo, I thought it was okay. Now let me just say now it's double the price because I can't remember the last time how much I bought it the last time, but now it's like triple the price or double the price. But I bought this one for my personal use. This VO5 is so regular, like it's very common. I don't remember how much I got it for, but that's it. I got it in a Pomeg- pomegranate, pomegranate, please, whatever it's called. Let me not mother that. Then I got this. ah, I wasn't supposed to get this. I was okay, and I got this. There is whoever knows how to pronounce this thing. I got this one too. The small bottle. That's what I got. Then let me tell you guys a story. I've looked for this thing in the market, but I did not see it. I did not see it. So I decided to order it online. But the vendor that I got this thing from is God that will help you in your customer service. I don't know what is wrong with Nigerians. Nigerians and customer service. You're not 5 and 6. But I said, she has done some things to me in the past, but I said, let me just patronize her because that's the only online vendor I've tried before because it was someone that recommended it on YouTube. Then I got from her. But after that first buy, her customer service is whack. So I got this. Okay, the only problem is that it doesn't spray. As you can see, it doesn't spray. So I had to change this one. I don't know why. Well, I have to. I don't. I think I'll change the spray. Is that what it's called? If I want to use, I'll have to use the spray, if that is what it's called, from my heat protectant for it. If I'll be able to use it. So, well, I really like it. It's the N&B lace mask. I got it in butterscotch, honeysuckle, and brown sugar. So this is it. It's really good. It's a really good product. I think I got it about 6,000 something. Yeah. So I'm thinking all this thing I'm catching. Oh Lord. Then I got the argan oil heat protectant too. Nigeria is good. Nigeria is really good. The last time I bought this, it's not the same price, and this is one of the products I use all the time. So I think next time I buy, I'm going to buy it like 5 or more, in case the price will increase. Like the way things go up now. So I also got the sweet Fix. I got the Sweet Fix Skin Protector Spray. This actually, I use Hair by Any. Like that's the product I've tried. All this online, if you see Instagram, you get. So I tried the Sweet Fix for the first time. I'm not. This is their first product I'm actually using. I'm a Hair by Any girl, but this is the first time I'm trying their heat protectant. So I also got some recaps. Okay, my transfer wasn't going. I was supposed to get a dozen, but ended up buying half dozen because my transfer wasn't going, and I had cash that can afford just half dozen. So that's why I got it. Even though it's two in one, so to last me a while before I get another one. So the next one is this wig hanger. I feel like a magician. So I got this. There is no purple. I think it's just black, white, and pink. So I got it in all the colors. I got two pink, one black, and one white. It's actually cheap. I normally use it as gifts, not all the time. I gift my clients. Yes, they're my clients, my customers. I'm a realtor, so clients. I don't know. Is it client customer? The same thing. So I gift my customers this, but you know the kind of revamping and reading I give for you. Before I give you this one, but that story for another day. So I got this too. Then I I came across this lace remover. I've not tried it before, but I just hope it works. I think it's just 1,000 or 1,500. I don't know. But hmm, I've not tried it, so I'll let you guys know how it works when I use it. So the next is this tweezer, Pearl Ivy tweezer. Pearl Ivy tweezer. Let me bring it out. It's quite different from the old one I have, and I see how it looks. Can you see? Can you see? And I'm sure it will pick really well. So, and I'm sure it picks really well. It picks really well. Not I'm sure. That's why I got it. It's pink. You don't have it in pop because I buy color, and it looks as if almost everything I have is in pink now. See the Lush relaxer that recently came out. It's pink too. It's pink. So I got this one too for my hair. One is usually enough for me, so I've already used. I got two, yeah. I got two, and it comes with this neutralizing shampoo, deep conditioner, the activator, and the no lie relaxer. It's actually good. It doesn't burn hair unlike there's a product, but I'm not going to call it, but it's actually good. So I recommend Lush Hair. My brand name is Jaynnifa Lush Hair, and I'm so in love with this brand too because of the lush in their hair. This is the last one. I wish there are more. I wish there are more. So you guys, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If you stay to this point, thank you so much. Please check out my other videos and let me know the kind of content you would like to see on this channel. I still remain your favorite YouTuber because I know I am. See you on my next video. Bye.